I will be demonstrating how to submit assignments on Schoology. So the first thing is we're going to assume you already logged into Schoology. So your name should pop up on the top right corner of the Schoology page. And then the first thing you're going to see is the home page, which has announcements or updates from staff. So in this case, I'm going to go to my course and I'm going to give you an example of what you might uh, do if we're going to assume you're my algebra A. By the way, before I move on to that, on Monday, next Monday, when you get your actual schedule is by logging in, and whatever you see on Schoology, when you click courses, that's the courses that you are currently taking for trimester 2. So if there's a course that you feel like you already completed it, you can, or maybe a course that you don't need, or you want to add, you can always email Natalie or text her, and then she can work on um, changing your schedule. But whatever you see on Monday on your screen and your courses, that's the classes that you're currently taking or will be taking for trimester 2. All right, so again, I'm going to assume I'm in algebra A, and you're going to do an assignment. So I'm going to go to module 1. Module means like a chapter, but it's online basis versus a book. We call it chapter. So that a lot of people are asking me about what module means. So all right, so let's assume that you're going to go to day 3, and you're going to on a daily basis, especially in math, I'm always going to have a lesson and a class assignment. So make sure, please make sure that you review the lesson. In this case, is the Google slide, and you can um, navigate to the Google slide. You can either take notes, or in another video, I'm going to show you how to have this open and then have another window open for for your actual classwork. So that way, if you forget something, you can uh, you know navigate through the tabs on the top and get your answers. Okay. So again, I'm going to assume that that will be in another video, but I'm going to assume we're going to go back to the classwork. So the way that is shown here, you're not going to see it like that. That's the teacher's edition. So you're actually going to look at it like this. So it's going to be like the title of the assignment, how many points is worth, and you can, when you're ready, you can start. Click on start, and I'm going to assume that I know the answer to this one will be, I don't know, -30, and I go to the next problem, or you can uh, you can use these tabs here to navigate through the questions. So I'm going to assume, I'm just going to answer the last question real quick. What is -84 divided by -12? I'm going to assume it's +7, and I'm going to review. So that you get an opportunity, before you click on finish, you have an opportunity to change any problem and change any problem that you feel like you need to change. Um, so I'm going to assume that you reviewed it and you're satisfied with every single answer here, and you click finish. When you click on finish, if the questions were all multiple choice, then you're going to see your score. So let me go back to this assignment. Remember, it was worth 15. So in order um, to pass an assignment, you need to score 70% or better. So I will say 11 out of 15 will be passing. Anything below 11 in this case will probably not meet the 70%. So you have up to 3 attempts to change, to go back and redo it. But if it's not all multiple choice and you actually have to type an answer, you have to wait for me to actually grade before you attempt your second attempt or your third attempt. So you need to wait for me to grade it. So I usually get a notification on my email, and I try to grade it on a daily basis so you guys don't have to wait too long. Okay, let me go back and show you another type of assignment that you might see. All right, so I'm gonna go to something that I'm going to be using a Google Google document. So I click on the assignment, and you should be able to see an attachment. This attachment is your actual Google Doc. Once you click on it, you automatically gonna get your own copy. So if I click on it, this is gonna be my copy, no one else's copy. So you can write your name on the top. This is a little slow, so you can write your name on top. And the first, I'm not gonna go over what this first page. It looks a little intimidating, but that's the way we grade. You can review it on your own, and then you can just you can just type your answers here, but whatever it is. And when you're done, let me just change that. So when you're done, you're gonna have an option. When you're done, you're gonna have an option. You don't see it on my page because I'm the creator of this, but for you, somewhere up here, you're gonna see submit, a submit button. So you go ahead and just submit on that, and everything will automatically go through Schoology. A lot of students also use the share. You can share with me. If you click on it, you can look for my name. You can put Jesus Trigo, and my email should pop up. And this one is my personal one, but you'll probably only gonna see my Youth Build account email, just like Natalie has one here. But I don't recommend you to do that because I want everything to be submitted on Schoology. So if you submit it on Share, you're gonna have to be contacting me to find out your progress or your grade. But if you submit it directly on Schoology, once I grade it, you're gonna get a notification that I graded it. And the good thing about an APT is if you turn it in before the due date and you're not satisfied with your grade, you can attempt it as many times as possible until the day that is due. So you have an opportunity to correct anything that I suggested to correct until you're satisfied with your grade. Okay, so let me go ahead and close that real quick. So you have a submission button when you open your document. I don't use discussions a lot, but I'm sure that CERT does. So a lot of times you have a discussion. Let's see if this was a discussion on Warrior Week. I believe it was. Let me check it. So yeah, so basically this is the assignment that you guys were supposed to do last night. There's a video, and there is an attachment to that, and then you have to respond to any. You have to make a comment and answer any questions there. Okay, so then you can click on post, and everybody will be able to see your response. All right. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here and see you guys soon.